Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to have 2 or more Snapchat accounts on single device. So what you have to do is open Snapchat application on your phone and then click on your Bitmoji or your profile icon on the top left corner and click on the gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, click on Logout. Select Logout button to log out from your Snapchat account. Now what you have to do is simply type in your new or another Snapchat account credentials and click on login. Once you're logged in into your new Snapchat account, now to switch between both of them or the multiple accounts, what you have to do is simply log out like we have logged out before. Go to the logout, click on logout, and you will be able to see all of your Snapchat account on this section. Now once you log in with a new account, it will save the info, and all you have to do, simply touch that account and it will be automatically logged in without entering the credentials again and again. So that's simply how you can have 2 or more Snapchat account on a single device. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.